right, everyone, this week's Walkthrough Wednesday, we are going to go through the 2021 Montana 3231CK. This is a brand new floor plan. It gives you all the feels. So the CK we were just talking about, I don't really know what it stands for. I'm going to go with Chef's Kitchen because that's what it's like. It's luxurious. So heading this way, we've got a massive pass-through storage. You've got the built-in central vac out here, so that would be super handy to get all this sawdust. It's prepped for a TV out here too. We have the 2,000 watt inverter as opposed to the 1,000 watt inverter that they used to do. That's across the board on High Country and Montana. Coming inside, this is so fabulous. So over here you have this huge prep area. Whoa, with the glass top that I just about broke. Up here you've got tons of storage up above. And then they even added another little in piece right here for some additional prep space, along with some drawers and whatnot. And then this whole area over here is just a gigantic like serving area or prep area with a window. Sink is in the island, which is always my favorite because you can still be kind of a part of the conversation even when you're in here doing kitchen stuff. You have the GE refrigerator on these as well as the High Country. So with the built-in water purifier, there's a little spot right here where you can fill a cup of water, ice down in the tray down here. This only pulls 1.32 amps, so super energy efficient. Living room wise, you're gonna, it's a lot like the 3121. So very similar floor plan in a living room area. And I'll head up to the bathroom. So for those of you that love the 331 High Country, this is going to be your jam because it's got a nice big vanity in here with Jack and Jill sinks. You both get your own medicine chest. You can have a window for that natural lighting while you're putting on your face, and then nice big shower in here with a bench and a skylight too. So if you're tall, you can take a look out there. And then this is super dark in here. Good God. Washer dryer prepped, as you'd expect, and the additional chairs in there for the kitchen table, and then built-in hamper. And then there's also tons of windows, which you can't tell because they're blacked out. There's a big window above the bed, and then side windows for cross ventilation. And I don't even know, let's go to the living room because I don't even know if there's a price sheet in here yet. It's so new. Is there one hanging? Oh yes, there is, right here. All right, so this one is $64,999 with 10% down, about $547 a month. So we've already had somebody come in today that's been waiting to take a look at this new floor plan. So if you would like to see it, give us a call or stop in.